Hey, nice viewers, house life. Thanks a lot for your kind support to my channel. I think my viewers have experienced personal and professional struggles, and we have important messages for such people who are not receiving fruitful outcomes of the labor. And there had been too much strife, there had been in search of peace and judgment. But time shows about financial difficulty, death, the period of unemployment and instability. Well, it looks abundant in personal or professional thing. Now the bad time is over and the situation will be held later, and there are messages from spirits also, the creatures who bring divine messages, and we have to grab these messages. Let's go for all the messages. That time is over, situation will be held. As I assumed about, if you say butterfly, that means your loved one, your ancestors is near, whom you are recalling a lot. Is the person is near, the soul is near to you, and the symbol bear shows you need transformation in our life. You should embrace new beginnings. You find balance and comfort in solitude. It shows inner power, courage, and protection. It's powerful guide for leadership and healing. The bird spirits also brings message to rely upon with intentional or not bad. You have been betrayed a lot, dear. That's why you have lost faith upon anybody. Uh, these are the messages for you. All are not bad. No, not bad means you are afraid of being unloved, rejected. You should love yourself and stay away from co-independency. These spirits pretend about freedom, dear. These spirits bring messages for being lenient and spontaneous, to consider the reality, to welcome happiness. The bird spirits feel that you need peace. They bring message of courage when you're looking motivated, when you're losing motivation to defend your position and faced tough strifes and competition. Be positive and don't be indulged with outcomes. Be patient. If you watch all, you're able to see truth behind the scene. You should trust upon your gut. You have keen insight, intuition. You are independent and intelligent. Snake is the symbol. Changes, dramatic changes, healing, the old living. Transformation is there. Change, time is changing. These birds pretend about freedom, courage in your lonely, abundant in personal or professional setting, and what challenges physically and mentally you faced in your life. These spirits bring divine blessings in your financial struggle, departure of joy. death, a period of unemployment and instability. It brings healing in sense of being overlooked or left out of our colleagues or society. You had been too much ups and downs in your life. Birds are the messengers carrying message of freedom, guidance, and protection. Okay, dear. I hope you might have received beautiful messages, beautiful guidance as well, and you might have enjoyed this reading. I would like to let know about your nice comments, nice views as well. And thanks a lot for your kind support to my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe too. Dear, um, if you wanna contact me, then please mail me. And if you have any question, then you may put there. And if you go for paid reading or healings, then there will be WhatsApp number. There will be told about. Okay. Thank you. So